Welcome, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to activate or disable the glow in Dying Light the Beast, so enjoy watching! To find the glow effect we have to open the settings. To do it, press the O button on your keyboard or press here on options. Now get into the video settings and get into the advanced video settings. Now the first option here will be glow, so it adds a soft radiant glow effect to elements in the game. You can see it on the preview here. So over here we have this glow effect that Sans gives to some objects that we can see in front of us. If you have a good PC, then it's a very good option to activate it, because you will have a better experience while playing this game. I think the visual effects in this game are obviously beautiful, so it is good to enable all of the effects that enhance the visual experience. So that would be all for this video. Hope you liked it. Leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!